Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2002 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. If you know anything about these Corvettes, you know they're quite rare, although you wouldn't be able to tell that from our inventory because we happen to have 3 at the moment. This one happens to have 50,000 miles, standard chrome wheels, and standard heads-up display. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget, smash the bell. That'll keep you up to date with our inventory by letting you know about these walkarounds as they're made. Also, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think about this one or one of our other 2 Z06s? We do this to point out any cosmetic imperfections that won't show up in our 100 high definition photos. To see those and anything else that we happen to offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine and the exhaust note on the Z06. So let's go ahead and start, shall we? All right, we are walking around this 50,000 mile Z06. As you can see, it's got great tread on the tires, about 80-85%. You can see there in the light, and you'll only see it under these lights, it's very light scratches. As a 21-year-old black car goes, this thing is immaculate. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of chips or anything on the front. It's been well taken care of. It's definitely in above average condition. Those chrome wheels I spoke about are in excellent condition. And as you walk around, you don't see any heavy scratches. No dings, dents, or scuffs, anything like that. The roof is in just as good a condition as the rest of the car. So let's go ahead and look at the interior. All right, let's see what doesn't show up in our photos. All right, we got this side of the visors, the headliner, and of course the top of the dash. If you have any questions about the interior exterior condition or financing options or shipping options, please call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the very bottom of your screen. Stay tuned to hear the exhaust note and the engine running, and hopefully you will join us for our next walk around.